Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetopyumyum. Today I am taking you all to the island of Puerto Rico, and this episode starts right now. Hey guys, as I said, today we are traveling to Puerto Rico. We are making a Puerto Rican version of lasagna, which they call pastelon. So delicious and so easy to assemble. Let's come over to the ingredients. Come with me so we can check them out. Okay guys, I'm back and here are the ingredients. All right, so we are going to use, typically, I'm using 1 pound of ground sirloin. Typically in this recipe, they like to use chuck, ground chuck. Why? Because ground chuck has more fat in it. I prefer sirloin. This is kind of like an 80-20, and a ground chuck is like a 70-30 ratio. I have a tablespoon of garlic. I have a can of tomato sauce. We're going to use 2 eggs. We have 5 ripe plantains that I have sliced carefully. We have a medium onion, a green pepper. I have some olives with the red peppers inside, as you can see. Yum. And I did mention I have 2 eggs. We're going to use Mexican 4-cheese blend, kind of like a Colby Jack cheese with cheddar. Yum. I preheated my convection oven at 325, which means, okay, we're also going to use, of course, our Stovetopyumyum special spice blend. So, okay, guys, we are also going to use our Stovetopyumyum special blend seasoning. As you can see, guys, I have not mentioned salt, pepper, none of that. So now, guys, I have my convection oven preheated at 325, which is equivalent to your oven at home at 350. So preheat your oven, and we're going to get cooking. We're going to go fry these plantains. I'll meet you at the stove, and let's get cooking. So we're going to put it like on a medium high. I have about half a cup of vegetable oil. Typically, when they're making this in Puerto Rico, they are deep frying these. I don't deep fry them. I don't see the need to deep fry them. That's enough because they're sliced thin. Okay, guys, I'm back for a minute. Look at this. I just flipped them. I'm going to give you a quick close-up. Look how, oh, so Caribbean, so delicious. Okay. This is pretty quick moving. So now I have a tablespoon of vegetable oil left in the pan from the plantains that we just fried. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start making our ground beef, our meat for this. So we're going to start with a medium onion and a medium bell pepper. Woo, look at that sizzle. Let me lower this so you can see it. See that? I'm going to do a quick close-up. So we're getting started with this, okay? To the ingredients as we're making it. Everything in the same pan. We have a tablespoon of garlic. Now I added a tablespoon of Stovetopyumyum special blend seasoning. Tablespoon of my Stovetopyumyum special blend I just added, and I forgot one very important ingredient for our Puerto Rican lasagna. I apologize for that. Now we're going to add a 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. You can use tomato paste, but of course you use less because it's very concentrated. So my cameraman slash husband is ready to eat, he says. Look at this. Let's get a close-up, cameraman. Woo, look at that. Wow. Okay, guys, so I'm going to let this cool down. And I'll meet you back at the stove top so we can assemble this once this cools down. And you guys, you don't want to miss this amazing version of Pastelon, Puerto Rican version of their lasagna. You don't want to miss this, you guys. It's, off the wall. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and we are ready to assemble our Pastelon. We have our delicious ground beef here. Excuse me, I have the sniffles, this fan. Okay, I have 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and eat 2 eggs. I normally put them in here. There's 1. This is okay. We're going to whisk 2 eggs, guys, and I'm going to put them aside, okay? This is going to bind our Pastelon before we put it in the oven. I'll show you how it's done. All right, okay, guys. So now normally you can use cooking spray, which I have some, but I don't need to because this is the pan with a little bit of, it has a little bit of the oil when it was draining, the plantains were draining, okay? So I'm going to put a little close up. All right. Convection oven. Got that baby preheated at 325, and that means for you at home, 350, guys. We are going to put this in there for 25 minutes. All right. So I'm going to go ahead. This is hot. Preheated there. We're going to put it for 25 minutes. There we go. And then when I come back, me and the cameraman are going to plate and we're going to taste. And you guys, this is so delicious and so simple to make. You don't want to miss this delicious Latin tasty lasagna. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back and our Pastelon is out of the oven. I just want to show you a quick close-up. Look at the inside of that. Look at the layers of the plantain with the meat. Look at the inside of that. That's amazing. And I've cut myself a piece. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Look at that. Wow. I think the cameraman wants to taste. Oh, cameraman, you want to come taste?
Yes, I do.
You guys already know my cameraman, my husband.
Hello.
My best friend, my everything. So we have here a Puerto Rican dish called Pastelon. It is a Puerto Rican version of lasagna. So as opposed to the lasagna, the pasta part, we're using plantain, sweet plantains. So let's take a little bite. You ready to take a bite?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me move this out of the way. Look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. Oh, the knife is backwards. All right, so we got some of the plantain, some of the olives.
Ladies first.
No, you go there. Today you go there. God.
That's real good.
Take a taste now.
Especially with that seasoning blend.
Oh, with that special, yeah, the Stovetopyumyum. Oh my God.
That's good, man.
That's all you need. That's salt free.
Mm.
See, it's very nice to do something different in your kitchen.
It's awesome.
All right, now it's my turn. It's hot. Mmm. Oh. Mmm.
It's off the chain.
Oh, good.
It's real good.
I love how the sweetness of the plantain counteracts with the saltiness of the meat and the brightiness of the olives.
Exactly. Real good.
I kind of thought in my mind that I was missing an element, like a garnish, like maybe a fresh herb or cilantro or
That's
something.
awesome.
Needs
It's
nothing.
awesome.
I'm gonna try to give it something double dip.
Go ahead.
Actually, and the egg binds it all together. I'll give it to you. Go ahead. Oh, sorry. Wow.
Oh, it's that good.
That good.
It's that good.
So guys, remember, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, consider subscribing, but don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And guys, I cannot iterate this enough. Stovetopyumyum special blend seasoning. I am telling you, you can use this on anything. I know people that have used it on cold chicken salad, people that have sprinkled it on popcorn. Listen, this stuff is salt-free and amazing on any dish that you make.
Really is.
As you can see, our dish today, the only thing I used was my special blend. That's it. No salt, no nothing. It has everything you need, and it is so amazing. This dish is so amazing. Huh? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that.
We are.
And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetopyumyum, I will be back, and I'll see you guys then. Take great care, guys.